Hey guys, it's John from Kingdom Marketing Lab, and I just want to do this quick video today to show you guys how to really optimize your Facebook profile to really set you up for success. So what you basically want to do, and one of the most important, is your little bio right here. I think it's like 160 characters you can use. So when somebody comes to your Facebook page, you have like 5 seconds to gain their attention, right? So what you want to do is you want to put who you are or what you're about right here and plug your website in right here as well. Okay, this is super important. This whole thing right here is super important. That gives a quick snapshot of who you are and what you do. Another thing is to fill out your intro as best as you can. Plug in other social media outlets like Instagram. Plug your website in here as well if you have one. Another most important thing we have is we have the capability of putting 9 featured pictures up. So what I love about this is those 9 pictures that you can have featured when somebody goes to your Facebook profile page is basically linked to everything. So as you can see here, I have my Kingdom Marketing Lab page. So if I click this, it's going to take me to my page, right? If you have groups, right? If you're an admin of groups or something like that, you can plug your group in here. This is fantastic. If you have an event, you can plug it in right here. And I'm also going to show you what this looks like on a cell phone as well, because most of us use cell phones. I'm on a laptop right now. So I am going to switch over to the cell phone and show you how to do this. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like on mobile. So once you come to your Facebook page, as you can see right here, I have my entire bio. I plugged in my website and everything there, and as you kind of go down, it kind of says who you are. The more stuff you can put on here, the better, so people can actually get to know who you are. Make sure you plug any other social media profiles you have. Make sure you plug your website. But the coolest part about it is I wanted to show you the 9 featured photos, which comes right here. Now if you have any business, like let's say a construction business for example, put in pictures of your finished work. If you own a salon, put pictures of finished hair that you did, right? Any business can do this, and it's extremely powerful because you can link all these to certain things. Like I said earlier, my Kingdom Marketing Lab page, if I click this, it will go directly to my page. If you're a part of any groups, then you can plug the groups in here so people can get connected quickly. So that's why this is so important, because like I said earlier, you have maybe 5 to 10 seconds for people to try to figure out who you are and whether they want to be associated with you or not. So I hope this tip helps, and I'll be back for another video.